Hello, my beautiful people. I'm back in part two. Okay, so we're gonna get started, and I already have taken all of the caps. So yes, I'm sort of cheating because my video only takes up to 10 minutes. Anyways, let's get to the fun part. I'm going to start with this image here, and I'm going to start from the right to the left. That way I'm not cleaning a lot, and you'll see how I do my pre-decals. So I hope you can have fun watching, and if there's any questions or comments or any ideas that you have, please leave them on the comment section below and I will get started. Thank you for taking the time to watching. I hope I don't bore you. I mean, I could speak, but I may bore you if I continue to speak, but I will tell you what I'm doing. So on these images, I don't like to get a whole lot. So what I'm doing is I lift up and then I swipe the axis, and then I'll do half point as well. So I'm going to turn the plate and cover the whole image, scrape, and lightly lift. Oh no! Okay, we missed a spot, but there's one. So on this case, I will, usually I will get the lint roller. Also, you know what? When I remember, I've seen it, many beautiful, talented nail artists will do this and pick up some of it with their scraper, but this isn't coming off anymore. Okay, but I thought that was pretty neat. Not my idea. So I will go in as close as I can. And if I can't get it with the lint roller, I will get the tape. Trying to stay here in camera. And lift. So there is one. Hopefully I don't embarrass myself, and here we go. And scrape and lift. So that worked. Let's try another one. Let's try these stars right here. Scrape and lift. Ooh, that's perfect. Just gonna take off that one right there. How beautiful that is. I did see I missed a little bit right there. That's okay. Oh, that is gorgeous. I do not press really hard. Okay, that's not lifting, so I'll get my, there we go. Beautiful. This one came out really, really nice. Okay, and let's see. I'm hoping this one will come out really nice. So I'm gonna gorgeous. This one, the 2 stars came out really, really lovely. I do recommend though that before you stamp, I always like to go with the lint roller, because as you can see, there's a little bit of, let's see, I'll show. Right here in the corner, there's some lint. So I'll grab my scraper, my apologies, stamper, and just clean it very well before I transfer an image. So let's try the bears. Let's see if we can pick them up at the same time. Okay, so that didn't pick up very well. I did side motion. Let's try that again. But the 2 bears did fit, so that's a good thing. So I'm going to get some clear acetone. And then I get some regular acetone. And then I get a dry one. And here we go. We'll do one little bear. Ooh, both. Came out pretty decent. I'm missing a little bit of an eye. So I used the upper motion instead of the side motion. I think we should give a try with the little rainbow. Fabulous. Just fabulous. So this is how I do my images with the square stampers. This one is a lot more tackier than these. If you have any questions or comments below, go ahead and leave them there, and I will respond as soon as I can. Thank you for taking the time to watching this video. You guys have a wonderful and good night.